Alright, TikTokers, there's my camp. We're out by a power outlet, out by the back of a truck stop here. This video is for my puppy. I've only had her 2 months. And yesterday morning at 2 o'clock in the morning, she started hacking, coughing. The other day yesterday, she was hacking. She's throwing up like green mucus. I can't do nothing until Monday, and some places are trying to help me get in and get her looked at since I don't have no money. They want to help me get my dog fixed. So my Cash App is on my my profile on this video. If you need a Venmo or PayPal, just inbox me through the video and I'll give you my Venmo or PayPal. It's for donations for her, medicine, everything. I'd like to get her fixed. She's not fixed, but she's a sweetheart. But anyways, there's our camp. Keep us in your prayers. God bless.